Bedtime. And Miss Jocelyn is starting to rock. I start to scratch, then somebody's gonna have to drive me home because that's the sign that I'm ready to sleep now. All right, you ready? Florence, let's go.
Also, not only for vacation, if you like to go to Dubai, if you are a business type, Dubai is the best place to go to visit. I really like to love business. You can go there because they have variety. They sell all those of things. You can even bring to America to sell. Also, I have this beautiful. This is the hotel. The name of the hotel is for Atlantis Hotel. This is the attic. If you move around, go around, you see beautiful swimming glass sculpture. Also, the bedroom is nice. Right there, while you're in the bedroom, you don't need to go outside if you want to go see what is going on outside. You can sit right there in your bedroom and see this beautiful fishes swimming. Also with this aquarium and giant aquarium. Also, they also have this beautiful ocean. See the building? You can just travel across to the other side to look at what is going on over there. Through the boat, also train. We also have this. This is the entrance to the hotel. They have amazing things over there. Also, I would like to go there during my birthday, which is August 8th.